Happy Fiesta! We are here sa Kakaling Balay. Happy Fiesta! Kainin kayo si Bar! Yes! Welcome kita sa buwan. Gracia!
Welcome, Rainfall of May 2024.
Yes! Okay. Huwag pa tayong balay na niya. Huwag pa na kailang balay. Anak ko ba? Ano papunta ko? Forward papunta ko. Forward papunta ko.
There is someone in this crazy world for me. The very love people on the road through temporary lives. My chance to come and I might never know. I used to say no promises. Let's keep it simple, but freedom only helps you say goodbye. It took a while for me to learn that nothing comes for free. The price I pay is high enough for me. I know I need to bring on. I know I have spent too much time.
Norman ng Canada, karon man nakita ko.
Nakita ka na ako nilang aloy and the tears.
Ano yan, no?
Labi ako na iba na.
Sometimes when I almost to surrender, then I stop and I remember I have you to save my way. Bring my imagination as reaching out to find. When I feel you're there with your hand in the air, you know from the start. Sometimes I only die to see you. You're the love you made me give me every step along the way. Sometimes people ask what keeps me going, and the truth it comes from knowing I have you to save my day.
I miss you.
Save my day.
And I can't wait to feel you touch me when again. And you are just another woman, just another woman in love. Just another woman in love. Again, I love someone. I'm wired up control. Just another woman. Touch me when I need. With a fever and the wind, and I can't wait to feel you touch me again. With you are just another woman, just another woman in love.
Yay! That is Bokoy!
Nakatabi lang sa'yo ang matagal na ibigin mo. Pero araw ang iyong puto ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayo mangarap ng karanasan. Ang nakalipas ay bawat namin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na magiging lang sa'yo kahit mabilis na ang buko ko. Buhok ko kahit makasin na ang buhok ko.
Sige ka mo, sub-sub-sub ba? Kayo ako, pinuod ba?